So I only just managed to get yesterday's video done and ready and edited and processed for Saturday night, which is pretty sick. Just managed to get it done, so yeah, only just managed to get it done. But anyway, what's up guys, it's your boy J Star. Welcome back to a new vlog. So guys, as you can clearly see, this video is done, processed and ready to go up. So by the time you see this video, you would have seen this video. But guys, like all of you Call of Duty players out there, we are doing the miserable sit and wait till COD comes out. Hour and 20 minutes on the dot till the game releases here for me. But I'll probably be at least, I'm hoping, by Prestige by the time you see this vlog. This should be about Tuesday next week. So yeah, I hope to be a Prestige by then on Infinite Warfare, not COD 4 though, because it's a new COD. I want to play the new COD rather than the old CODs. I don't know, that's just my impression. Leave in the comments down below what you will be playing more. I've said it on social media, but I haven't really said it in a video yet. If you guys hit 100 subscribers, I will do a house tour. I know that a lot of you guys want to see it, it's a highly recommended video, but 100 subscribers guys, and I will do a house tour, a full house tour on 100 subscribers, a house tour ladies and gentlemen, so smash that sub button if you're new around here. Guys, update on the Triton headset giveaway. I'm gonna call it off because I didn't get many retweets guys, you only got about 3 retweets, like 3, so there we are, 1 in 3 chance of winning it, so I'm not going to do that. But if you don't know already, I'm going to carry it on till next Friday. So next Friday I'm going to call the winner. Just go over to my Twitter, the tweet is just an R and a T, so for retweet, just retweet that tweet and you can do yourself a Triton headset, ladies and gentlemen. Literally for free, all you have to do is retweet and be followed to me on Twitter. That is it, my Twitter will go here. Just go ahead and follow it, it'll be in the link in the description.
Yeah.